And finally, one of us found his body. And then they called us today and they said he's lying down here.
Breaking tonight, the Somali community in Columbus heartbroken over the loss of a religious leader. They've been searching for their imam, Sheikh Mohammed Hassan Adam, since Wednesday night. Today, a body found in a car in South Linden that matched his van. Columbus police are not releasing any names yet. Bree Buckley spoke with people in the Somali community. She's live. Bree, a large crowd at the crime scene. They seem pretty certain that this is him.
Yeah, Haley, they say his disappearance was already heartbreaking, calling for the public's help just this morning. And then this afternoon, they tell me one of their group members made that chilling discovery.
Please help us find Mohammed.
Just hours after pleading for his safe return, the Columbus Somali community began mourning his loss.
We've been working hard for 2 days. We didn't sleep. And here we are today.
An imam, Sheikh Mohammed Hassan Adam, was reported missing Wednesday, last seen at a northeast Columbus mosque in a yellow GMC Savannah van. Friday afternoon, police say they found a body in South Linden near Windsor and Joyce Avenue in a van matching that description. Islamic faith leaders say they had dozens of people out combing the city and say it was one of their members who found the body believed to be his.
We found his body. You know what I mean? Because the community organized itself to find him, and they found his body.
His disappearance leaving a hole in the tight-knit community, those close to him saying he was a mentor to many, dedicated to giving back.
We were hoping that we would see him. Mohammed Hassan was someone who would fundraise for the orphans. That's why you see this impact. Someone who would feed the homeless, someone who would take care of the immigrants, the refugees.
Dozens showing up to the scene to show support for the family, left wondering what happened to their beloved leader.
We are not blaming anybody. But we need the law enforcement to take really a thorough investigation to ensure to bring those people to the justice.
Again, we're still waiting on confirmation from police, but if you have any information, you're asked to call Crime Stoppers CARE. The Council on American Islamic Relations is sure it's him, so much so that they're offering a $10,000 reward, even going as far as to say that he was murdered. Live on your side in the newsroom, Bree Buckley, Fox 28 News.